Alright, welcome to the video, everyone. So today we're going to be looking at the power rule of exponents. So essentially this is another property of exponents that can save you some time. So let's jump into our first example here that I have. So 5 squared to the third. Okay. So if you are not aware of the power rule, you may try and solve this using the definition of what an exponent is. So what's 5 squared? 5 squared is 5 times 5. Okay. So that's the same thing. And now we can try and get rid of this exponent here by using the same method. What is an exponent? If we have some number here to the third, that's really just that number times itself times itself. So 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay. And we notice that we have 6 5s being multiplied together because we really don't need these parentheses. So that is 5 to the 6th. And if you plug that in your calculator, you get 15,625. And that certainly gets you the correct answer. But if you know the power rule, we can kind of skip a step here. We don't have to do all of this, and we can kind of get to the answer a little faster. So I'm going to write the same exact problem, 5 squared to the third, and the power rule of exponents, it says that if you have an exponent here and an exponent here, you can just multiply those exponents together. So we have 5 times 2 to the third. Okay, that's equivalent. Now we can simplify that. What's 2 times 3? That's 6. So now we have 5 to the 6th. And if we look up here, we got 5 to the 6th up here as well. And we didn't really have to do any of this. We didn't have to do this. We jumped from here all the way to here, almost. We did have this little step here, but if you can do that in your head, you can jump, from here to here. So much faster. So we have 5 to the 6th, and again, if you plug that in your calculator, you get 15,625. So we got the same answer here and here, using the power rule of exponents here, and just using some the properties of what an exponent is in this example. So the power rule definitely saves some time. And so here I have another example. So I have here x plus 5 squared, and then that whole thing to the 4th. Okay, and these, I made these kind of like square brackets. It's the same thing as a parenthesis. I just like to make them different so you know that the curved parenthesis ends with the other curved parenthesis and the square bracket ends with the other square bracket, so you don't get confused that maybe this parenthesis goes to this bracket. You're probably not going to think that. So anyways, so we have this problem. X plus 5, that's just a number. Okay, if x was 2, it'd be 7. So don't be scared of x plus 5. It's just a number. So, and we have that number to an exponent, and then that whole thing to another exponent. So it's the same thing. X plus 5 to the 2 times 4. We're just multiplying the 2 and the 4 together. Okay, and we can simplify that again. X plus 5, and 2 times 4 is 8. So we have x plus 5 to the 8th. And that is our answer. Since we don't know x, we can't go any further. So that is the power rule of exponents. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.